Imagine having access to created content that you can sell as your own and make huge income. It sounds too good to be true, right? Let me show you how PLR courses can make this happen. Now, what are PLR courses? PLR courses are private label rights content. They are in form of digital products made by experts in the field. They are experts, they know everything about each of the field, and they create this content in video form or ebook form, and they let it out there for anyone to have access to it. Some of this content are purchased, but there's a way you can get free content from this PLR sites and sell at your own cost, make big income from it. So that is what we'll be talking about today. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifoma Joy and this is Ifoma Joy TV, where we talk about business tips and business idea. Then we spice up with biblical principles. So if this is your first time of being in this area, thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so you get my videos whenever I upload them or whenever I go live. And to my return subscribers, thank you for always being here. You're the reason why I'm here. Thank you for always showing up. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments, thank you for the shares. I'm so grateful. Thank you so very much. So like I said, today we'll be talking about how to make money, how to make income, how to earn using PLR courses, how you can sell PLR courses and use them to make money. So we go down to it. So if you're ready to learn how you can download this free sites, how you can get this free content, the free part of it from this PLR courses, stay to the end so that I'll show you how. So like I said, PLR, as the name implies, is private label rights. It gives you rights to digital products that an expert has created and uploaded online. You can only see it online. You can get them typically online, and they come in video formats, they come in ebook format, and they also come in audio format, though the audio format of it is just few. We majorly have them on ebook and video. Okay, they come in different ways, in different styles. Now, what are the benefits of these PLR courses? Creating a book or making a content or making digital product or creating the product of your own can be very, very time consuming, and it can take a lot of effort, wisdom, thinking and all that. Now, in order to escape that is why we have access to these pre-created courses that you can buy on your own. You can buy it, and like I said, somehow you can also download these videos or these ebooks for free and sell at your own cost. I mean, at your own cost. You can get them free, you can still purchase and use, sell or use as your own, and nobody's going to penalize you for that. Another benefit for it is that it is cost effective, right? It is cost effective. It is very, you buy it with a little amount of money, unlike when you want to create these courses on your own, unlike when you want to write book on your own that would take a lot from you. This one are cost effective. Okay, you get them with a minimal amount of money and you use forever as long as the cost remains, right? And another one is that another benefit is that it is flexible. It is flexible to use. You can customize it, you can make it look like your own, you can brand it to your own taste, and nobody is going to question you. All right, what are we expecting? What, like I've said before, I talked about ebooks. They come in ebooks. Okay, they come in ebooks and guides. Okay, digital books on various topics such as marketing. We have some on finance, we have some on health. Okay, then we also have them on video courses like pre-created lessons, guides, specific subjects. It comes in different formats, teaching about photography, teaching about websites, teaching about maths, teaching about different subject areas, even coding. You can get them video training on all these aspects. In fact, they have a lot of subjects that is being done daily by content creators, then let out there for other people to buy and resell. So they come in different videos. Okay, then we also have that of templates and worksheet sheets. All right, printable and editable templates. printable and editable worksheets that you can use in your business, in the organization, or anywhere, or even as a content creator. You can use this PLR content to brand yourself, okay, to do more, or to get content ideas, to get everything you needed as a content creator. All right, so how do we use this courses? How do we use this PLR courses? We can resell them. Like I said, you can resell them, and that is the major purpose of this video, to resell, to download them, either rebrand them or even sell it as they are, right, and make money out of it. Okay, then you can also use it like you want to learn something. You want to learn how to build a website, how to go into photography, how to become a content creator. You can get any of these courses and use them personally. Aside that, the most important thing is making money with it. Even while you use it, you can still resell it out there and make money with it. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can rebrand this content, how you can even turn the cover into your own personal product. You can do everything personally, and it comes as if you're the one that have created these courses. Then you can also use it as a bonus. Maybe you have customers, you sell things, you can use it as a bonus to your customers for purchasing a particular product from you, or for getting into your services, okay, or getting your services. You can give this content as a bonus. Maybe you want to get people to buy more from you. You can offer it to them, like, if you buy this quantity, I'm going to give you this book for free, I'm going to send this video to you for free. You'll see so many people coming to purchase that product, or coming to have access to that service that you are rendering, right? Now, things to consider getting these PLR courses. Yes, anything that has a good part also have the negative part of it, okay? But if you work very well with it, if you're able to listen to the end and follow the steps that I'll show you in my next video on how to download these courses and how to rebrand them, you wouldn't be finding any difficulty making money with this PLR content, okay? So one of the things to consider in getting PLR courses is license terms, right? License, and you should be able to understand the license terms. And they have their licenses. Each of the product, each of the content, each of the video, each of the ebook has its own license terms, okay? So what you need to do is, before you download, try to go through the license terms. Some of them allows you to resell, some of them allows you to use only, some of them tells you can use, you can resell, you can rebrand, you can retouch, you can do this, you can do that, okay? So understand the license terms of each one you want to download before you even download it. Then we also talk about quality. Make sure it has high quality, especially for the ebooks. A friend of mine downloaded one of those books one of those days, and then she saw that it was not that enriched as she wanted it to be. But there are so many high quality created ebooks on these PLR courses. That is why you just need to go through it in order to get the ones that have high quality, okay? Then another thing is uniqueness, right? Consider adding your own uniqueness into that ebook or that video, especially when they give you access, when the licensing give you access to retouch or reuse or redo anything to it. Just make it, rebrand it, especially for those ones that you'll be buying. Though we also have the ones that are free, like the ones I sell. Some of the ones I started with and I'm selling, I started with free ones, okay? I downloaded free ones and I started making money with them before I started buying on my own to make money with, okay? So you should understand all this. Then one of the best things to look out for again is niching, okay? Niching down. That is how you can be able to, make use of these resources very well. You need to understand what niching is all about. You need to understand how to niche down on this product, because there are so many. We have millions of them. We have various sites where you can get them. Even on ClickBank, you can get them. On Warrior Plus, you can get them. On PLR.me, you can get them. ID PLR, you can get them. There are so many sites and there are so many contents to get, okay? So it is good you niche down, understand niching, understand how to niche down, understand how to sell products by their niches in terms of niching, okay? So that you can be able to get the utmost of this PLR courses, right? So what is niching? Niching refers to focusing on a specific area of expertise or a particular audience, right? Now it allows you to stand out. Yes, it allows you to stand out. It differentiates you from others that are selling that product, okay, or selling PLR courses. And then it gives you the access to target specific audience. It guides you through targeting specific audience for your own product, and also it increases conversion. Okay, that is why it is good to niche down. Now, what are the benefits of niching down on this PLR content? Now, it makes things less, make your marketing less competitive. Okay, and it helps you to get more targeted marketing, right? And it also gives you high quality content. So you must niche down. You must always niche down when you want to stand out on these PLR courses. Okay, so examples of niches for PLR courses, we have health and wellness. Here we talk about weight loss, talk about nutrition, talk about fitness, talk about mindfulness. We also have finance and business, talking about marketing, entrepreneurship, investing, anything that talks about money. Okay, we have them on those content. Then we also have the technology aspects, have the AI aspect, the software. Every one of them are examples of PLR content when you want to go in line with niches. Okay, so if you are that person that have passion for things that talks about wellness, things that talks about health, you go for health and wellness. Okay, that is how to make the most use of this PLR courses. Okay, now how to choose this PLR courses or niching on these PLR courses. You need to have passion for that particular area. Okay, then you need to research. Okay, research for it. Research, something you have passion for, it will be easy for you to go into researches to learn more about that thing before you go into it. You don't just go to the site, you download anything and start selling. No, download any course and you just start selling. You need to understand that niche, you need to understand that aspect, you need to get everything that needed to be gotten in order to come out as an expert too. It will not look as if you're the creator of it, because certainly before people buy from you, they want to ask you some questions. Okay, and that is one of the things that made a lot of people, when I started affiliate marketing, those that started with me at that time, most of them dropped out. Why? Because they were just in a haste to make money. They were not ready to understand the company and how they sell their product. So at the end of the day, it's like when we started the training, like after 2 weeks of training, so many people were just posting, I made a sale, I made a sale, I made a sale of this, I made a sale of that, and they were just selling random products, selling wellness products, selling love and relationship products, selling make money products, selling different products, not based on a specific niche. Now you can pick one or two niches, right? But it is wrong for you to just start selling anything. But I on my own, I had to just like, Joy, which one will suit you? And that period when I started the affiliate marketing was the time of lockdown during the COVID-19. Okay, that was 2020. And then we know that everybody was looking for a way to make money. So I went into how to make money niche. Okay, that was the aspect that I picked. And then when I started selling, like it was just coming wutu, like my people would say, it was just coming like, as in people were just buying the courses that talks about or teaches about how to make money. And that's happened because I was able to niche down to understand that that is the product that works for me. And then that is where my passion was. Okay, that is where, even till now, that is where my passion is. And so I started working with it, and it gave me a lot of conversion. So many people were asking me things, and I was able to research more to understand these niches so that I could answer a lot of questions. But most of those people, they come back reporting to our mentor then that, they asked me this question, I don't even know what to say. Okay, so that made them to lose a lot of people that has already come to their product, that has already touched their product. Because when they ask you, okay, this weight loss, how do I use it, how effective it is there anyone that have used it, they come up with different, yes, before anyone will spend their money, they want to know what they are buying, how it will help them. So it is not their fault, they want to understand. And that is why you need to understand any niche you want to go into on these PLR courses. They are very, very good to use because you aren't using any effort or wasting any time to produce them. You're just getting maybe with a minimal amount. Some of them are sold for even $1, some of them are sold for $5. Okay, you're just getting them for a minimal amount of money. Though some of them restrict you to just 1 year use, of which you can renew, but it doesn't take much to renew. So it is something that is worth doing aside creating your own content to make money with. Okay, now by niching down, you increase your chances of success with any PLR courses. It helps you to establish yourself as an authority, attracting a dedicated audience, because people will be coming to you and also referring people to you. Because then when I started that affiliate marketing, even till now, people still, even I've stopped selling affiliate courses, but still people are being referred to me daily. Okay, though I'm still in the business, in the company though, but I have stopped selling. But when they come, sometimes I have to send them to, you know, some of my friends to buy from them. Okay, because I've not renewed my subscription since I have stopped selling. Okay, it will help you to get more audience, and they are dedicated to, this is what this person does. Because when you are just jack of all trade, master of none, they will run. Because they see you, they call you here, you can't answer, they call you there, you can't answer, but you're telling them, I sell matches, I sell comb, I sell this, I sell that, without having a base of what each of them stands for. So it is good if you want to use this PLR courses, always niche down on what to sell. Okay, always niche down. It will help you so much. It will help you so much. And then these PLR courses, they are very good because they will provide you a means of getting income. They will provide you means of, you know, having that thing that you need. A lot of people are in need of money, right? And I know that you too are one of them. So it will help you to make money. It's a stream of income. Even while you're working, you are making sales with these courses. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you practicals on how to download these courses, the sites to get them, how to download them, how to rebrand them, how to customize them, and how to sell them. Okay, show you different sites, different areas, different social medias where you can sell these courses. Okay, so don't forget to watch out for the second part of this video. And like I said, I promised to tell you how you can get these courses free ones to download. Now when you go to your Chrome browser, just type plr.me. okay, it will open up. Then type for free courses, you get them, or you just search, you get the free courses. Download any of them. You can do a retouch, maybe wait for the second video on how to customize them so that you can start making money with them. I hope I've been able to help you in this area to show you how PLR courses can make you a lot of money if you want to start making streams of income daily. Okay, so thank you for staying to the end. God bless you. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Turn on the notification bell so that you get the notification for my videos whenever I upload them or go live.